The following movie has been rated PG by the Motion Picture Association of America. Parental guidance is suggested.
Konnichiwa minasan, watashi wa desu Lorena desu. That is how Japanese introduce oneself. In English, it means, hello everyone, my name is Dorian. On behalf of the Shore Tours, I'd like to welcome you all to the Kyoto Philosopher's Path, found in the Higurashima district. I'll be your tour guide that will accompany you throughout the tour. Before we enter, I'd like to take a minute to familiarize you with the area and discuss some brief safety precautions. Firstly, I ask that you remain close by the group so you won't get lost. Secondly, please avoid loitering around the area. Before we start, I want to recommend that you wear a cap or anything that may cover your head. Please bring a bottle of water in case you feel thirsty. Right now, let's start our walk. Explore and take some pictures of the beautiful Hinami that is now in full bloom. As you can see, there's a canal that follows the pathway in line with the hundreds of cherry trees. The canal was built during the Meiji period in order to revitalize the stagnating local economy, and it was used to power Japan's first hydroelectric power plant. A beautiful aqueduct which is a part of the canal, can be seen around Benji. After a few minutes, we'll be passing by one of the most notable temples, the Honin-in. With an entrance gate that is quite spectacular, especially during the autumn leaves. Since Kyoto is known as the city of thousand shrines, you'll surely see more temples and shrines as you walk along the path. This path was named after Nishida Kitaro, one of Japan's most famous philosophers. Let's continue on exploring the park. On your right, you'll see smaller numbers of temples and shrines where Japanese people offer prayers. As we turn, you'll see the path follows to a lake called Lake Biwa, which channels 20 kilometers throughout the mountains. We already reached the end of the Silver Pavilion Path. As you can see, there are cafes, boutiques, and restaurants that you'll surely love. You can sit under the cherry trees, have picnics. It will surely provide some shade for you as you admire the beauty of the cherry trees. On the way out, you can stop by the shop that specializes on good luck arrows. They also accept Japanese yen. If you want to exchange pesos to dollars, there's a nearby money exchange. I hope you enjoy exploring this unique place. I hope to see you visiting the Silver Pavilion again, or the Philosopher's Path. Thank you for coming, and enjoy your stay here in Kyoto, Japan.
二人の